Physics, it is a Greek word which means nature. If you want a definition of physics, then you can say it is a natural science that studies matter and its motion and behavior through space and time and the related entities of energy and force. Physics is one of the most fundamental scientific disciplines, and its main goal is to understand how the universe behaves. You have to use so many and to describe physics. It means it is very difficult to give a unique definition of physics because there is a reason behind it. Physics keeps changing as we progress and make new discoveries. New theories does not bring new answers, they also create new questions that might not have even made sense when viewed from within the previous theory of physics. This may be the reason physics become interesting and exciting for the students. The nature around us is colorful and diverse. It's so beautiful. It contains phenomena of large variety: the wind, the sand, the water, the planet, the rainbow, the heating object on rubbing, the function of our human body, the energy coming from sun and from nucleus. There are a large number of objects and events taking place around us. Physics is a study of nature and its law. We expect that all these different events in nature takes place according to some basic laws, and revealing these laws of nature from the observed event is physics. For example, the orbiting of moon around sun, falling an apple from the tree, the tides in the ocean, a full moon concept in the night can all be explained if we know Newton's laws of gravitation and Newton's laws of motion. Am I right? Physics is concerned with the basic rules which are applicable to all domains of life. We understand this reality of nature by physics. Foundation of other sciences like chemistry and biology is physics. If you will say how, then as you know that the chemistry is interaction of atoms, which is further explained by physics itself. Even biology is built on a foundation of chemistry, and chemistry is based on physics. So physics is ultimately the master of all the other sciences. Sir Isaac Newton gave us gravitation. Once he said, a man may imagine things that are false, but he can only understand things that are true. For if the things are false, the apprehension of them is not understanding. Sir Max Planck gave us quantum mechanics. Once he said, we have no right to assume that any physical laws exist, or if they exist up until now, that they will continue to exist in the similar manner in the future. Sir Albert Einstein gave us theory of relativity. Once he said, anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. The great physicist Dr. R.P. Feynman has given a wonderful description of what is understanding of nature by the rule of chess. We all know that the chess is a game. If you want to understand the same concept by the help of chess game, you can say आपके घर में दो लोग हैं जिनको चेस खेलना आता है और आपको चेस खेलना बिल्कुल भी नहीं आता. आप सिर्फ चेस को देख सकते हैं, चेस को खेलते हुए देख सकते हैं, आपको अलाउ किया गया है. तो आप एक दिन आपको ये लग जाएगा समझने में कि ये कोई गेम है जिसमें दो लोग होते हैं, अपनी अपनी गोटियों के साथ बैठे होते हैं. एक कलर की गोटियां एक आदमी के लिए होती है और दूसरे कलर की गोटियां दूसरे आदमी के लिए होती है. फिर थोड़ी थोड़ी देर बाद एक दूसरे की गोटियां उठा के बाहर रखते जाते हैं। तो आप डेली नए 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 रूल्स फ्रेम करेंगे और उसको अगले दिन अपडेट करेंगे। जो आपके बनाए हुए प्रीवियस रूल्स हैं, अगर वो अगले दिन एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते हैं, उसका कुछ ना कुछ कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट आ जाता है सामने, तो आप बिल्कुल हेजिटेट नहीं करेंगे रूल्स को चेंज कर देने में या रिफॉर्म कर देने में या नया रूल इंप्लीमेंट करने के लिए, जिससे आप उस गेम को समझ पाए। आप कंटिन्यूसली 3 मंथ्स टू 6 मंथ अगर इस गेम को देखें तो आप बहुत सारे रूल अपने आप ही समझ जाएंगे। बट चाहे आप इसको 5 साल तक देखते रहे, 5 साल बाद भी आप सारे रूल जानने के बाद भी ये चैलेंज नहीं कर पाएंगे कि सामने वाले ने ए पार्टिकुलर मूव क्यों की। दिस इज व्हाट फिजिक्स इज। फिजिक्स इज द स्टडी ऑफ नेचर। इट इज रियल. No one has given authority to frame the rules of physics. We only discovered the rules that are operating in nature. Aryabhat, Newton, Einstein, or Feynman are the great physicists because from the observation available at that time, they could guess and frame the law of physics, right? Which explained these observations in convincing way. But there can be a new phenomena any day, and if the rule discovered by the great physicists are not able to explain this phenomena, this new phenomena, then no one will hesitate to change the rule. This is what the physics says. Now, what is the relationship between physics and mathematics? The description of nature becomes easy if we have the freedom to use mathematics. अगर आपको ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन को समझाना हो और आपके पास मैथ्स जैसा कोई टूल ना हो, तो आपको कितनी सारी लैंग्वेजेस बनानी पड़ेंगी। आपको कहना पड़ेगा द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स बिटवीन द टू मासेस इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द मासेस and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. अब इतनी लाइनें कहने की जगह पे ये आसान है कह देना कि ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स Fg इज इक्वल टू कैपिटल G mm अपॉन r स्क्वायर। बट अगर आप मैथ्स को इंक्लूड करेंगे तो आप बहुत कंडेंस हो जाएंगे और आपको फिजिक्स को कन्विंस करने के लिए बहुत कम वर्ड्स यूज करने पड़ेंगे, राइट? So the techniques of mathematics such as algebra, trigonometry, calculus, 11th क्लास में calculus बच्चों के लिए नया होता है, बट वो ये जान लें कि calculus is all about studying continuity, है ना? क्योंकि आप ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन की बात करते हैं तो जैसे एक ऑब्जेक्ट दूसरे ऑब्जेक्ट के नजदीक जाती है, हर एक नए डिस्टेंस पे उसका फोर्स बदलता जाता है, चेंज होता जाता है, कंटिन्यूअस चेंज होता जाता है। इस चेंज के साथ टोटल वर्क डन निकालना हो तो मुझे लगता है इंटीग्रेशन जैसा कैलकुलस यूज होगा। तो आपको पता होना चाहिए पहले कि इंटीग्रेशन कैसे करते हैं। यही रीजन है कि फिजिक्स के कोर्स करते समय हम मैथमेटिकल टूल्स को पहले पढ़ते हैं और पढ़ना भी चाहिए। So the technique of mathematics such as algebra, trigonometry, calculus can be used to make the prediction from the basic equations. Right? So maths is a language of physics. Without knowing mathematics, it would be much more difficult to discover, understand and explain the law of nature. It's like if you are poor at grammar and vocabulary, it would be difficult for us to communicate our feeling, but while doing so, our basic interest is in the feeling that we want to express. Understand the nature is physics and maths is the deluxe coach to take us there comfortably. Relationship of physics and mathematics must be clearly understood and kept in mind while doing a physics course. Thank you.